Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing Podcast. I'm your host, Paul Burkett from Blue Square Management, and in today's podcast I'm going to be talking about 5 YouTube marketing strategies for success in 2020. As a small business owner, there are a lot of different ways to market your business. You know it, I know it. That said, when operating in today's day and age of advanced technology, it is important to choose the marketing strategies that are going to get you the best return on your investment. To that end, YouTube marketing is something that you need to be doing to ensure that you are connecting with your current and potential customers, clients, or patients. Now, don't be scared. YouTube marketing is easy. You just need to pick out the right strategies to use and put them into action to start seeing results right away. Take a few minutes to think about how you could implement the following strategies into your marketing mix and how much impact they could be for your bottom line. Strategy 1. Be the face of your business. If you are like most small business owners out there, then you likely want to lead from the front, not the back. That said, one great thing about YouTube is you can actually get on camera, create videos and add them to your website or share them on social media. This is great because it allows potential customers, clients or patients to get to know and feel more comfortable with you. Think about this. If a potential customer, client or patient is looking for the service that you offer and they come to your website to see a video where you, the owner, invites them to learn more, the impact can be massive. Simply put, people will start to feel a connection with your services and feel that they have a relationship with a local company that really cares about them. Better yet, when you have a YouTube account, you can create as many videos as you want and keep switching them in and out. For example, you could have a holiday themed video up during Christmas, wishing everyone a happy and safe season while educating them and inviting them to your location for a sale. Strategy 2. Share a valuable message. With YouTube, you can post and share videos to common problems that your customers, clients or patients have. Not only will this help to build your brand, it will also help you attract and retain loyal customers. As an example, if you're a plumber, you can share a YouTube video on your website that shows you how to stop a leaky tap or running toilet. Not only will your visitors appreciate this content, but they will keep you in mind when they actually need a plumber. The best part about sharing valuable content is that you do not have to be the one that creates it. You can simply go to YouTube and search for a video that solves a problem and embed it on your website. Under each video on YouTube, there is a share option where you can get the information needed to take that video and place it on your website. How easy is that? Strategy 3. Get more visitors. If you decide that you want to create some valuable videos full of your own content, you'll be able to put them to use right away. Not only will other people find and use your videos, which will push traffic to your website, but having a catalogue of video content that you can use on your website and direct potential customers to give them a boost. One simple strategy to get more visitors to your website is to have 2 videos that solve the same problem. Video 1 tells you what the problem is and the steps needed to fix it, while video 2 actually shows you how to carry out those steps. The magic here occurs because as the owner of the videos, you can designate that video 2 is private and is only used on your website. The result is that people watch video 1 because it is shared all over the internet, but at the end of the video they are directed to your website to see video 2. Pretty neat, right? Strategy 4. Pay-per-view. Did you know that you can actively promote your videos by paying to have them show up in the YouTube search results? And with YouTube videos getting viewed more than 5 billion times per day, there is really no reason why you should not be paying to get potential customers to your videos. Great thing is that you can target who's exactly seeing your videos to ensure that you are getting the highest quality traffic possible. For example, if you are owner of a hair salon, you can target women who live within the postcode of your business. Taking that approach will guarantee that the only people seeing the valuable content you are sharing are people who actually could come through your door. Now, it does cost money, of course, as you are paying per video view, but if you understand the lifetime value of just one customer, investing on YouTube advertising is more than justifiable if it is getting new clients coming through into your business. Strategy 5. Call to action. One more surefire YouTube strategy that needs mentioning is that you must always include a call to action in your videos. This is one small detail that often goes overlooked by many business owners who are just starting out with their YouTube presence. At the end of each video, you must tell the viewer what you want them to do. Maybe you want them to come to your shop, maybe call your phone number, or maybe print out a coupon from your website. Whatever that action may be, it is your job to make sure that you clearly tell them what you want them to do. When you take this approach and give a clear call to action, you will see that most people do exactly what you ask them to do. As a small business owner, it is really important that you include YouTube in what you are doing regarding client acquisition. Video is hot, and it's only going to get hotter in the future. By leveraging the power of YouTube, you will easily be able to drive more visitors to your website and more money through your door. I hope you found this episode helpful, and see you in the next Blue Square SEO and Digital Marketing podcast. To keep up to date with our latest podcasts, you can follow us on Anchor.fm, Spotify and Apple Podcasts.